Welcome to Textile TV. Stay with us and enrich your knowledge.
Different types of fabric and their uses. Part 3. Pearl knit fabric. Knitted fabric made by knitting yarn as alternative knit, while pearl stitch is one wall of fabric. It is used to make bulky sweaters and children clothing. Poplin fabric. Woven fabric used for jackets, shirt, raincoat. It is made by polyester, cotton and its blend. As coarser webbed yarn, its ribs are heavy and prominent. It is also most frequently used types of fabric. Pointel knit fabric. Knitted fabric. It is a types of double fabric. This kind of fabric are suitable for women tops and kids wear. Plain fabric. It is made of warp and webbed yarn in a pattern of over one and under one. This kind of fabric are very popular for leisure wear. Percale fabric. Woven fabric often used for bed covers. It is made from both carded and combed yarns. Oxford fabric. Woven fabric made with loosely constructed weaves. It is one of the most popular fabric for shirt. Filter fabric. Filter fabric is known for functionality and longevity. It has high temperature and chemical resistance. Flannel fabric. Woven fabric extremely popular for sweating, shirting, jacket and pajama. It is often made of wool, cotton or synthetic fibre. Jersey knit fabric. Knitted fabric originally made of wool, but now it is made by wool, cotton and synthetic fibre. Usually used for making variety of clothes and household items. Fleece fabric. Knitted fabric made of 100% cotton or blended cotton with percentage of polyester, wool, etc. These fabrics are used in jacket, dresses, sportswear, sweaters.